Welcome back to our part 2 video of today's assignment. So as you all know children that in today's assignment we have started with our new chapter in EVS, that is chapter number 8. We all live in a house. So in this chapter we are studying about a house and types of houses. So there are two parts in this chapter. Okay, first is that what is a house and why it is needful, why it is helpful to all of us. Okay, and then the second part is different types of houses, how many types of houses are there. So as you all know that there are two types of houses, kacha and pakka house. So today we have studied about kacha house only. So I hope you all have watched my part 1 video in which I have explained you I have explained you the introduction part of house and one type of house which is a kacha house. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood from there very clearly. And now in this video, that is part 2 video, we are going to do our notebook exercise, first notebook exercise of chapter number 8, which will be your new words. Is that clear? So are you all ready? Very good. So what you have to do children, you have to first of all take out your EVS notebook. Is that clear? So children, I am showing you this new EVS notebook because my old EVS notebook was all filled up. Okay, so I hope your EVS notebook also must have been filled up. So please make sure that जिसकी EVS notebooks फिल हो चुकी है वो आप लोगों को अपनी न्यू EVS नोटबुक बना के उसमें अपना काम शुरू करना है. ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विथ टुडेज एक्सरसाइज, फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 8. So take out your EVS notebooks and turn to a new page, as you can see here children. Okay, and what you have to do today, what we are going to do today, we are going to do today new words. So there are 10 new words I will be explaining you with spellings and with their meanings. Okay, so listen to each and every word very carefully, how I am pronouncing it and how I am speaking. Okay, and what I am explaining. You should concentrate on video only. Okay, so first of all write down today's date, that is 19/7/2021. Then in the first line, as always, you will write down the name of the chapter, that is chapter number 8. We need a house. Clear? Then in the next line, we will be writing the assignment number. So our today's assignment number is 8.1 in the bracket. And then in the third line, you will write down the heading of your exercise which we are going to do today. Part A, new words. Clear? So there are 10 new words children. I hope you will all listen to it very carefully. Let's get started. Our first word is HOUSE, house. Now what is a house children? A house is a place where we all live in. Okay, house क्या है? वो घर है जिसके अंदर हम लोग सब रहते हैं. Clear? HOUSE, house. Now second word is SAFE, safe. मतलब सुरक्षित. हम लोग अपने घर के अंदर सेफ रहते हैं, सुरक्षित रहते हैं, हमें किसी चीज़ से हार्म नहीं होता अपने घर के अंदर. ओके. थर्ड इज कच्चा हाउस, KACHCHA, kacha house, HOUSE, house. Now what is a kacha house children? We have studied today about kacha house only. First of all, kacha house is made up of clay and straw. Its roof is made up of leaves and dried grass, and it is also called a hut. Okay, and the most important thing is that a hut is not a strong house. Clear? So children, kacha house is not very strong house. It is not a strong house. Okay, it is, that is why only its name is kacha. Okay, now coming to the fourth word, that is pakka house. Pakka, pakka house, house, house. Now what is a pakka house? Opposite of kacha house. कच्चा हाउस हमारा स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होता, स्ट्रॉ और क्ले से बनता है, ठीक है, उसको हम हट बोलते हैं. वहीं पक्का हाउस क्या है? पक्का हाउस में हम जहाँ हम लोग रह रहे हैं, जो हमारे घर हैं जिसमें हम रह रहे हैं, दोज हाउसेज आर नोन एज पक्का हाउस विच आर मेड अप ऑफ ब्रिक्स, स्टोन्स एंड सीमेंट. ओके, नाउ द फिफ्थ वर्ड इज बंगलो. BUNGALOW, bungalow. Again I am repeating, BUNGALOW, bungalow. Now what is a bungalow, children? Very big and strong houses are known as bungalows. Okay, very big houses, जो बहुत बड़े एरिया में बहुत बड़े घर बने होते हैं, that is known as bungalow. Then sixth word is CLAY, clay. What is the meaning of clay? मिट्टी. Okay. Seventh word is STRAW, straw. Okay, STRAW, straw. What is a straw? I explained you in the first video also. Straw means भूसा. क्ले और भूसा को मिला के जब घर बनाया जाता है तो it keeps it cool in summers and warm in winters. Okay. Eighth word is towns. TOWNS, towns. Clear? And what is a town, children? Meaning of towns? City. Okay, you are living in a city. Town का एक meaning city भी है. Okay, in Hindi you can say शहर. Okay, understood? So TOWNS, towns. Now coming to the ninth word, WINDOWS, windows. Now what are windows? खिड़की. हम सब के घरों में विंडोज़ और डोर्स होते हैं विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर डोर्स विंडोज़ नहीं होंगे तो डोर नहीं होगा तो आप कहाँ से आओगे जाओगे, विंडोज़ नहीं होंगी तो आपके घर में वेंटिलेशन कैसे होगा, हवा और सनलाइट सनरेज कैसे आएंगी. ओके, सो फॉर अ गुड हाउस वी ऑलवेज नीड प्रॉपर काइंड ऑफ वेंटिलेशन. सो we can get proper ventilation only when there are proper windows and doors in our houses. Okay. Then the last 10th word is roof. ROOF, roof. Now what is the meaning of roof, children? Roof means छत, जो हमारी छत होती है. When you are sitting in your house or when you are sitting in your room, when you look upwards, so what you can see? Your roof. Okay. So your roof of a house should be very, very strong. Clear? So I hope all these 10 words are clear to you all. Once again I am repeating, listen to each and every word carefully, its pronunciation as well as its spellings. First one, HOUSE, house. Second is SAFE, safe. Third is KACHCHA, kacha, HOUSE, house, kacha house. Fourth is PAKKA, pakka, HOUSE, house, pakka house. Fifth is bungalow, BUNGALOW, bungalow. Sixth is clay, CLAY, clay. Seventh is straw, STRAW, straw. Eighth is towns, TOWNS, towns. Ninth is windows, WINDOWS, windows. And the last word is roof, ROOF, roof. So by this we complete with our first part exercise for today's assignment, that is of new words. So children, I humbly request you all to please watch both the videos very carefully. First of all, make sure that you watch part 1 video and then you will open part 2 video and you will do this exercise. Now your homework, your assignment is to read the topic till where I have done. इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट एंड कच्चा हाउस वाला पार्ट आपको अपने घर पे पहले अच्छे से रीड करना है. मेरी जो फर्स्ट पार्ट वीडियो है उसको अच्छे से सुन के उसके बाद आपको अपने आप रीडिंग करना है अपने घर पे एटलीस्ट 2 या 3 टाइम्स। उसके बाद आप सेकंड वीडियो खोलेंगे, सेकंड पार्ट वीडियो, और फिर ये सारे न्यू वर्ड्स आप अपनी नोटबुक में याद कर करके लिखते जाएंगे। इज़ दैट क्लियर? सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड टुडेज टॉपिक वेरी क्लियरली and also have understood your assignment which you have to write in your notebooks very clearly. Now I want you all to complete this work by today itself so that we can start a new thing from tomorrow. Clear to you all? So till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.